Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans. First, download the game from your preferred app store and dive into the initial tutorial. This guided experience will introduce you to the core mechanics. Remember, your town hall is the heart of your village, and protecting it is paramount. You'll also quickly become familiar with the 3 essential resources: gold, elixir, and later, dark elixir, which are crucial for your progress. Building a strong village requires smart resource management. Always keep your gold mines and elixir collectors upgrading to ensure a steady flow of income. Don't forget to expand your storage capacity too. Your town hall is key. Upgrading it unlocks powerful new defenses, troops, and buildings. When placing defenses, think about creating layers of protection around your most valuable assets, like your town hall and resource storages. Attacking other players is how you gain vital resources for upgrades. Train a diverse army, combining different troop types for maximum effectiveness. Before attacking, always scout the enemy base to find their weak spots and where their resources are stored. On the defensive side, a well-designed base layout is crucial. Experiment with different arrangements to funnel enemy troops and protect your precious gold, elixir, and dark elixir from invaders. Joining a clan is a huge part of the Clash of Clans experience. An active clan allows you to request and donate troops, giving you a significant advantage in both offense and defense. Make sure to participate in clan wars and clan games. These events offer fantastic rewards like magic items and resources. Remember, consistent upgrading of your buildings, troops, and heroes is the path to becoming a truly formidable player in the world of Clash of Clans.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.